Hi everyone, welcome back to RTS, and I hope and pray that all of you are doing well and staying happy and healthy during all of this stressful time right now. So I wanted to pop in for a minute because I wanted to inform you of something that is going to be happening within just a few days, and I want everyone to know about it because it would be it's such a great opportunity, and it would be sad if you missed it. And what is it? Is that Scrapbook Generations through Allison Davis is hosting a 20-week class basically for free if you buy this sketchbook. And so this sketchbook in and of itself is $12, and it's worth the $12 because it's 20 sketches, and they're 2-page sketches. So in my eyes, that's 40 sketches for $12. But what Allison is going to do for the summer and for the next 20 weeks is that if you buy this particular sketchbook, she just had 3 released. This is the one I'm talking about. This is the one I'll have the link below. If you sign up for this, then you're going to get access. If you prove your order number, you will have access to Allison's private Facebook group where she's going to take these sketches number 1 through 20 in that order, and she's going to show how to play with them, questions and answers, discussions, and then you can join in if you want to, or sit on the sidelines and do your own thing, which is what I'm going to do. So the note that I want to talk about is that the deadline is May 31st. So if you want to give yourself a gift over the summer, spend $12, get this sketchbook, get that order number in to Scrapbook Generations, and all the instructions are there when you place the order, what to do. It's very simple. And then starting June 1, this happens. And you can't wait till June 1 because you won't have access. It has to be by May 31st. I can't stress that enough. Allison has said if you wait till June 1st, you're too late. You won't get access. So definitely do that for yourself. We don't know what we're going to be able to do over the summer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own fun. And so, yeah, I'm going to be popping in. Now, I'm not a Facebook group groupie. I'm just not. But I'm going to be doing what Allison suggested. Just sit on the sidelines and do your own thing. So what I'm going to do over on my Patreon page is I'm going to be playing along with this, and I'm going to do it 20 weeks just like Allison, and I'm going to go 1 through 20 just like Allison, but I'm going to do my own take on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a page kit carnival. Now, what is that? Because in this is for 6x6 pads, but you don't have to use 6x6 pads. You could use scraps. You could use the popular 6x8 paper pads right now. You could use 8.5x11 papers. Or what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use regular old papers, but I'm going to dig out some page kits that I have been putting together for some time. I want to play with them. So I'm going to have a page kit carnival. Let me playing along. I'm not going to be doing 2-page sketches either. I may just do 1 or just be inspired by what Allison's going to show in her class. So again, May 31st is the deadline. Spend the $12, get this sketchbook, print it out, get your order number in so you can have access to this private class by Allison Davis. I just don't know where else you're going to spend $12 over the summer and get that much fun for 20 weeks. It's not happening, folks. It just isn't. Plus, we have to plan our own fun, which is why I'm having my own carnival over Patreon. My link is below. And so then also, what else have we been doing over there? Oh my goodness gravy. Butter the biscuits. We have been busy. On International Scrapbook Day weekend, we had a marathon. We had a series called Fun, Fast, and Finish, and it was absolutely just that. Fun, fast pages, and they were finished pages, and we gave them all fun names, and it was just a really fun weekend. Several videos popped up. And then also what we're working on now is that we're working on the Toolbox series, and the Toolbox series is when you focus on the tools you have in your space, whatever that would be for you. So that would be dies and stamps, more stamps and punches and embossing folders and just whatever. Also, in this last toolbox, we also put a hammer in an eyelet setter. That's what I did. And what else do I have floating over here? Distressors. Yeah, you name it. If it's tools, we're putting it in the Toolbox series. And then we take all those supplies and we focus on the tool part, the tool aspect of our hobby. So we just take things down a notch and play. And so this is one of the pages I created with my dad in the Toolbox series. And so again, just playing with different tools and supplies and just slowing things down and enjoying them because we bought them, we might as well enjoy them. Absolutely. So I wanted to pop in real quick. I definitely want to tell everyone in the world about this because I can't believe for $12 you're going to get the sketchbook and then a free class for 20 weeks. I mean, blows my mind. Absolutely. And so the links will be below. Hop in and then come over and visit us at Patreon if you wish to. It's not everybody's bag and it doesn't have to be. No. But you're more than welcome. You're more than invited. And we have some awesome ladies over there that give awesome discussion. And it's all about scrapbooking. Nothing more, nothing less. Scrapbooking. That is what we focus on. And it is about recording the story. Absolutely. So have a great summer. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Be diligent in what we need to do to get through all this pandemic. But then also keep your mind in a happy place. And if you're like me, lately, one day I'm a happy person. The next day I'm like, where's the sunshine? Oh my goodness, what do I have to look forward to? Are we ever going to get through this pandemic? We all are in the same boat. We're all in the same crisis. So we're just going to stick together and get through it. And then also find a happy place. For me, it's my scrap room. And it is playing with paper. And so that's why I'm going to have a page Kit Carnival. So please join in. Have some fun. Keep your mind in that happy place. Absolutely. So stay well. Stay healthy. And look below. There's links. Partake in that class. Absolutely. So I'll see you there, or maybe I'll see you at Patreon. Maybe I'll see you both. Absolutely. So come back to RTS because you never know what we're going to do. Bye.